Alright, we're about to install the front differential pinion cover. Everybody told us to replace it, so we bought it from Cecco Racing. Hope I pronounced that correctly. We got a 4mm hex tool, punch pins, rag, hammer, the demand drive fluid for Polaris, and a bit for our rim, because you have to take the rim off to get to it. And don't forget your oil pan for your differential fluid, but some of it's gonna leak out. Right here is where we're gonna punch it out with a punch tool. Never done it before, so we'll see how it works. Alright, got the push pin out. Shit was hard as hell, but hey. And we used a 6mm punch tool. It's pretty hard. Make sure you turn the wheel. If you're doing it from the left side, make sure you turn the wheel to the right. It helps out. Well, that came out pretty easy. So now we got those 4 hex, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. Make sure you put your drip pan under here. Take this rubber gasket out. Don't rip it. Make sure you don't roll it. Two long screws on top, 2 short ones on the bottom. Ready to go. And with these, you're going to use a 4mm hex. Tall ones on top, small ones on bottom. Alright, we're gonna spin it with your hand just to make sure it spins freely. Spins good. Now we're gonna punch it back in. Right there. Alright. Almost. All done. All right, got the Cecco Racing Pinion cover on.